Hey everyone, and welcome back. Growing your business means growing your support. Let me show you how to scale customer support with Zendesk in 2026. First, build a knowledge base. Create articles for your most common questions. Customers find answers instantly, reducing ticket volume before it grows. Next, use AI agents. Deploy bots to handle simple requests like password resets or order status. They work 24/7 without adding headcount. Automate workflows with triggers to assign tickets and escalate urgent issues. Use automations to follow up on pending tickets automatically. Track volume trends and explore. When you see consistent spikes, expand your knowledge base or add more agents. Finally, sets high priority tickets get faster responses, keeping your most important customers happy as you scale. And that's it. With knowledge base, AI, and automation, you can grow support capacity without growing your stress. If you're scaling your support, let me know your biggest challenge in the comments. See you in the next one.